Good afternoon, all of you. So, anybody can read the first question, please. First question. Answer, please. First question.
Ten ml of a solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8 ml of a given solution of HCl. If we take 20 ml of the same solution of NaOH, the amount of HCl solution
Which is equal to how much?
the same as before.
Yeah.
16 ml.
So, you can
16
see
10 ml.
10 ml, which is equals to what? 8 ml is required. Now,
20 ml.
it can become 20. Means double it is. So, here also what will become? Here also it will become
Eight
double.
becomes-
So, which is equals to 16 ml. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So option D is the correct answer. Next, go faster. So many are very easy questions. You have to answer fastly. Next,
So you have to answer antacid.
medicine is used for eating index,
Antacid.
overeating, antacid. Is it yes?
Fantastic.
Yes. Next, a solute react with marble chips to produce a gas which turns lime water to milky. The solution contains marble. What is the marble, Ra? Marble what? What is the formula of marble? Marble, limestone. This all the formulas is same. Is it yes or no? What is that? Limestone formula.
CaCO3, sir.
CaCO3. So
Calcium carbonate.
yeah, calcium carbonate react with something which will produce a gas which will turn
H2SO4, sir.
milky. So what is that? Lime water to milky means CO2.
H2SO4.
What is that?
H2SO4.
H2SO4. Acid only. Is it yes or no? Acid. That is you have to remember. So option C. Next. One of the following is not an organic acid. Organic, which one? Carbonic acid. This is
Carbonic
acid.
Carbonic acid.
mineral acid. Only mineral weak acid. Only mineral weak acid. That is why carbonic acid. Next. All of you mark your answers. For each and every question you should know. You should not get supposed to get 1 mark also less. Next. The property which is not shown by acid. Huh?
They feel soapy. B.
They feel soapy.
Very good. Next, the indicators which turn red in acidic solutions are
Litmus and methyl
Litmus
orange.
and methyl orange.
methyl orange. The discomfort caused by indigestion due to the overeating can be cured by taking
Baking soda.
Baking soda. Baking soda.
baking soda. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Anybody?
Sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium hydrocarbonate.
Recently only have been studied. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Long back also we have studied, now also. Next, the property which is common between vinegar and curd is that they
Have soap taste.
sour taste. Because what is the common thing? Both are contains
They are
acid.
acidic in nature.
They are acids.
Vinegar contains which acid? Vinegar contains
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
What is the name of acetic acid?
Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid.
Curd contains which acid?
Lactic acid.
Lactic acid.
Acid. So that is why they are sour in taste. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Which produces a pink color in an alkaline solution. Pink color.
Phenolphthalein, sir.
Phenolphthalein.
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 Phenolphthalein is the alkaline.
Phenolphthalein.
90% children confusing with these colors only. Be perfect in this. Next, a solution reacts with zinc granules to give a gas which burns in the
HCl, sir. Hydrochloric acid.
HCl, sir. HCl.
Hydrochloric acid.
Pop sound means which gas? Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
Next, one of the following is a medicine for indigestion.
Magnesium
Magnesium
hydroxide.
hydroxide.
Magnesium hydroxide.
Magnesium hydroxide.
Magnesium hydroxide. So it is plus water mixing. What we should call? Milk of magnesia. What we should call? Milk of magnesia.
Milk of magnesia.
Magnesium.
Bee sting contains.
Acidic liquid. Acidic liquid.
Bee sting contains.
Acidic liquid.
Acidic liquid. Acidic liquid.
Acidic liquid. Next, Vasputin contains.
An alkaline liquid.
Alkaline liquid.
What is the names of them? Tell me. Bee sting contains acetic. What is that name?
Formic acid.
Huh?
Formic acid.
Formic acid. Formic acid. Very good. Next, this one. Bee sting. Vasputin. Vasputin contains what? Some kind of mixture of something else. Huh? Tell me, Ra. It is actually a mixture. That is why there is no name given. But its nature is basic in nature. That is. Next. It is a mixture of some kind of bases. That is why there is no particular name given. Vasputin. Next. One of the following does not inject an acidic liquid into the skin through its sting. What is that?
Honeybee.
Huh?
Wasp.
Sting. Yeah, wasp.
Vasp.
Wasp. Next. A solution turns red litmus to blue. The pH is 3.
10.
Solution turns red litmus to blue. Next, blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red.
Sir, 5.
Next. A solution turns phenolphthalein indicator pink. Phenolphthalein pink. Which one?
9, sir. 9.
9.
Is it yes or no? Basic. Next.
Yes, sir.
The color of methyl orange indicator in a solution is yellow.
More than
Basic.
7.
More than
More than
7.
7.
More than 7. More than 7.
More than 7. How you can say it is basic in nature? Is it yes or no? Basic.
Yes, sir.
Methyl orange color is yellow.
Sir.
B. Bee sting can be treated.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Baking soda. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Wasp sting can be treated with
Vinegar.
because it is basic in nature. Correct or not? So if you add acid, both will be neutralized. Understand? Now, I want to say you something here. All of you should note it down. Molarity I have taught you. Have you remembered? Molarity. Molarity is equals to moles per liter. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Please respond. Now, I already
Yes,
taught
sir.
you. If you remember or not, I don't know. If you take neutral substance, neutral, acidic substance, and basic substance. Neutral substance, if you take, molarity is equals to 1 into 10 power minus 7 m. What is that, Ra? Neutral means how much? 1 into 10 power minus 7 m. So, equals to 7. What is the pH? pH is equals to 7. Understand? Next, basic means the molarity will be more than 1 into. More than means what? Greater than 1 into 10 power minus 7. So, pH value is more than 7. pH value is what?
More than 7.
More
More than 7.
Next, acidic if it comes to here, note it down, very, very, very important. Now, acidic means the molarity will be less than 1 into 10 power minus 7 mole. So, pH is less than 7. What is that?
Less than 7.
For example, if I will say 0.01 molarity, what is the pH value? Can anybody say? pH value. This I can write 1 into 10 power minus 2. Is it yes or no, guys? So pH is equals to 2. All of you should remember. Next, if I'll say 0.1 molarity, which is equals how I can write 1 into 10 power minus 1. So pH value is 1. What is that? Ra?
1. pH value is 1.
pH is equals to 1. All of you note it down. If anybody having doubt, you can ask me. Now I will write 0.001. Can anybody say what is the pH value? This is molarity. What is the pH value?
1 into 10 to the power minus 3. pH value 3.
Minus 3 moles. So molarity. What is the pH value? pH is equals to
3.
3. Will you able to understand? Everybody respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bhumika, very important. Understand? So now, remember all of you, when we are moving from this pH scale, when we are moving from left to right, hydrogen concentration, H plus ion concentration decreases. Whose ion concentration increases? OH minus concentration increases. See, acids means not only H plus ions, OH also present, but whose percentage is more? Whose percentage is more? Plus ions is more, OH is less. If you go bases, OH is more, H plus ions is less. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This concept, note it down, all of you. pH is equals to 7. What is the molarity? 1 into 10 power minus 7 m. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more point. Balancing chemical equation. Is it possible to write always the coefficient should be what? For whole numbers or fractions or decimals or like that? Is it possible?
Whole numbers.
Whole number.
It must be whole numbers. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, answer this question. Next one. 21. It has been
Wasp, sir.
that
Wasp.
Wasp, sir.
Wasp, sir. Wasp.
Next. Fresh milk has a pH of 6. When milk changes into curd, the pH value will
Becomes less than 6. Becomes
Less than 6.
Becomes less than 6.
be 6. Why? Acidic nature will increases. Correct?
yes, sir. Acidic nature, sir.
Next. The acid produces naturally in our stomach.
Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Yeah, the daffodil plants. Daffodil plants. I have taught you this one. Have you remembered? Daffodil
sir.
plants. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Lime.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Lime.
Lime. Added lime, sir.
Yes, yes.
Lime, sir.
Lime, lime.
Daffodil plants grow best in a soil having a pH range of 6 to 6.5. If the soil is in garden has a pH of 4.5, which substance need to be added to the soil in order to grow daffodils? Lime. Why lime?
Lime.
Lime.
Why?
Nucleic acid.
Why lime?
They will react with the excess acid present in the soil and neutralize.
Always should remember, lime means calcium oxide. What is that? Calcium oxide.
Calcium oxide.
We can call it as what? Quick lime. What we should call?
Lime.
Quick lime.
Lime.
Lime water. Lime water means calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. This is only we can also call it as slake lime.
Lime.
Take the lime.
Be clear. Next question. The salt which will be an acidic solution on dissolving in water is acidic
Ammonium chloride.
NH4Cl. NH4.
NH4Cl.
4Cl.
H4Cl.
Understand? Ammonium chloride.
Yes, sir.
Because this is the only non-metallic positive ion. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
One of the following salts will give an alkaline solution on dissolving in water. What is that?
Na2CO3.
Sodium carbonate.
Sodium
Sodium carbonate.
Na2CO3
Carbonate.
alkaline solution. Understand, Ra?
Na2CO3.
Alkaline
sir.
solution. Remember that. Which one of the following salts will give an alkaline solution on dissolving in water? Na2CO3. Next. The salt which will give you a neutral solution on dissolving in water.
KCl.
Neutral solution.
Potassium chloride.
Potassium
Potassium
chloride.
chloride.
NH4Cl.
Very good. Because it is an what? It is an what? Ra? Salt. Is it yes or no?
Salt, sir.
Which will give you neutral solution and dissolving in water will be, it is. This is this one. Why? This is what? CH3COO. What is this called as?
Acetate. Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate.
It is what? Not. Next, NH4Cl as alkaline in nature. Correct or not?
Alkaline. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In nature. So this is the only thing. So correct answer is C. Next, the products of chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali.
H2Cl2 and NaOH. Hydrogen gas, chlorine gas, and sodium hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide. Very good. That is why it is called as chlor-alkali. Yes. Next, the number of molecules of water of crystallization present in washing soda. First, tell me washing soda formula. Washing soda formula. Just now I thought yesterday or day before yesterday. Washing soda formula. Na2CO3. Is it correct?
Na2CO3 dot 10H2O.
10H2O. Verify
Yes,
carefully. Yes. So Na2CO3 sodium. It is hydrated salt. Have you remembered? Yeah, last class only I have taught you. Na2CO3 10H2O is called as washing soda. Write it. How many days I should say? Okay. Next, the salt whose aqueous solution will turn blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red, please.
Ammonium sulfate.
Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate.
Ammonium sulfate. What is the formula of ammonium sulfate?
NH4
NH.
4SO
Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium.
NH4SO.
Is it correct? I think wrong. Please verify. Ammonium sulfate formula. Anybody?
Sir, NH4 twice SO4.
Sir.
NH4 twice correct because SO4 2 minus. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So 2 will come. That is next. The aqueous solution of one of the following salts will turn
Potassium carbonate.
salt is red litmus to blue.
Potassium carbonate.
Potassium carbonate.
Understanding. What is the formula? K2CO3. Is it S?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. K2CO3.
Yes, yes. Next, the salt whose aqueous solution will have no effect on either red litmus or blue litmus.
Potassium sulfate, sir.
Potassium sulfate.
Potassium,
Potassium sulfate.
potassium sulfate. Understand? That is. So, what is the formula of potassium sulfate? K2SO4.
K2SO.
Next, the aqueous solution of one of the following salts will turn phenolphthalein indicator to pink. Phenolphthalein indicator to pink. Pink color. The salt is
Basic.
phenolphthalein indicator.
The salt is basic. Sir, K2.
Have you seen?
Potassium carbonate.
K2CO3.
K2CO3. Understanding? Carbonate is there. That is what
Potassium carbonate.
pink. Remember that. Next, the formula of baking soda.
Sodium hydrocarbonate. NaHCO3.
NaHCO3 option 3.
Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Very good.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Plaster of Paris is prepared by heating one of the
Sir,
following
35th
of
question.
35th question, sir.
100 degrees. 100 degrees also equals to what? 373 Kelvin. What is that? 373 Kelvin.
373 Kelvin.
Plaster of Paris formula. Ca
CaSO4
H2O.
H2O. Half H2O.
2H2.
What is the answer?
Dot 2.
Sir, CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Option D.
Calcium sulfate.
SO4.2H2O.
So this is.
35th question.
What is the plaster of Paris? Sorry, this is plaster of Paris. Is it correct or not? So plaster of Paris formula. Can you tell me POP formula? Formula.
Sir, CaSO4 dot half H2O.
Not half H2O.
H2O.
Half H2O.
Another formula. Another formula. Another formula. Second formula. 2CaSO4.
CaSO4 dot H2O.
H2O.
2CaSO4 dot H2O.
Here, CaSO4 half H2O. We should not supposed to write in the form of half and all because here it can write the formula, no issues. So, 2 CaSO4 molecules are sharing how many molecules of water? 1 molecule of water. That is why we
One
have
molecule of water.
2 CaSO4 H2O. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is.
35th.
Fifth question.
Sir, 30th question,
Okay,
sir.
right. So, which of the following is treated with the chlorine to obtain bleaching powder?
CaOH twice. Calcium hydroxide.
KO.
Calcium hydroxide. Very good. Next.
Potassium carbonate, sir.
Yeah. Next one. A salt dissolved in water and the pH of the salt solution is measured with a universal indicator paper. If the pH of the solution is less than 7, the salt is universal indicator. Be very careful. Universal indicator and not careful. Dilipan? Padmavasini?
Sir,
37A
KCl.
is the answer, sir.
Potassium chloride.
Check very carefully and answer. A salt dissolved in water and the pH of the salt solution is measured with the paper. If the pH of the solution is less than 7, acidic nature, ra. Acidic nature, less than 7 means acidic nature. Which one?
NH4Cl. Option D.
Now, be very careful, Arvind, you also. Next. Which of the following salts will give an aqueous solution having pH of almost 7? pH of almost 7.
Potassium chloride. Potassium
Potassium chloride. It is called salt. That is. So this is the 39 questions MCQs. Now we will go with the reason and assertion. So reason and assertion very important. Try to understand very carefully. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can ask me. Now, first you should say either right or wrong. That's all I want. All of you should respond, and all of you, if you know, you can say directly. No hesitate here. Kevin, are you understanding? Kevin, Harini, Akshaya. Okay, first one. So 4 options you know. Both are correct. Correct explanation A. Both are correct. No correct explanation B. One is A is true, R is false, C. And D is false, R means A is false, R is true, D. Now first one. The acid must always be added to water with constant stirring. True or
Correct,
false?
sir.
Yes,
Is correct.
true. Because always you should add acid to water. Water to acid should not be. Why? Why?
This is a high
Exothermic reaction will happen. Exothermic reaction.
That is the reason you have to remember it, all of you. So now, mixing of an acid with water decreases the concentration of H plus ions per unit volume. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes or no? So amount of solution is increasing, H plus ions will decreases. So this also true. Now you find, is there any connection between them?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Between them?
Both A and R are true, and R is the
There
correct.
is no connection between them. So that is why. Which option is correct? Option B.
Option A.
Option B. No connection, Ra. Understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Next. Second one. That is why reason assertion, be very careful. Next, second one. All of you read. Second one. Copper sulfate crystals are wet because it contains water of crystallization. Is it true? Normal crystals also, they contains already water of crystallization. So what is the copper sulfate formula? Cu copper sulfate.
QSO4.
5H2O. Is it yes or no? So this 5H2O is always contains. Again they are wet. Is it because of that? Is it because of
No,
that?
sir.
No. Understand, Ra?
No, sir.
That is you have to remember. So this is wrong. Assertion is wrong. Now, water of crystallization is the fixed number of molecules of water present in unit formula of salt. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Suppose you can take
Yes,
copper sulfate, 5H2O, and next 10H2O. What is that formula? Just now we have been studied. What is the formula? Just now I have told you correct. 10H2O. What is that? Somewhere here.
Washing soda.
Washing soda. Washing soda.
Washing soda. Na2CO3.
Na2CO3.10H2O.
That amount of H2O molecules is fixed in a one formula unit of salt. That is true one. So this is true and the assertion is false. So which one is correct? True assertion is false. Which one?
D, sir.
D.
D, sir.
All of you write it. Very important question this is. Next, see, always copper sulfate crystals already they contains water of crystallization. Not because of them they are wet in nature. Remember that. Be careful. So, sir, how to identify copper sulfate contains water crystal means water of crystallization or not? Remember, if water is removed, what we should call unhydrated. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Unhydrated.
Color will be white color. What is the color? White color. If it is
White color.
hydrated, the color is blue color. What is the color? Blue color.
Blue.
You should remember. So based upon the color, we should understand either it is hydrated or unhydrated, not based upon the wet or dry. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody answer. Harini, Dina. Next. Third question. The aqueous solution of glucose and alcohol do not show acidic character. Glucose and
True, sir.
alcohol.
True, sir.
alcohol. Yes or no?
Both A and R are true. And A, R is the correct
Yes,
explanation.
why? Because they are not. They are the neutral substances. Is it yes or no, guys? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because aqueous solutions of glucose and alcohol do not give H plus ions. Yes or no?
True, sir.
Yeah.
True,
So
sir.
the glucose and alcohol do not show acidic character. Why? Because they do not give H plus ions. Understand? So both
Yes,
are
sir.
correct and they have a relation. Which option? Which option?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understand? That is what I want from you all. Connection should be finding perfectly. First, primary duty of answering correctly the reason assertion question. Either right or wrong, you should identify. Later, go for the connection. So be very clear while you are reading the question. Next, fourth question. Let me see who will say. Hydrochloric acid gas do not change the color of dry blue litmus paper.
False. No, sir.
False, sir. It can change, sir.
Have it not is solution. Hydrochloric acid is solution not. It is gas. When the gas is in pure state, it is in pure gas. I already told you, it will never show its acidic character. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Only when it is in aqueous state only acids will show the property. Now you based upon that you tell me. Don't simply say the answer. Tell me. Hydrochloric acid here not giving does not giving means what you said correct. So now here hydrochloric acid gas does not change the color of dry litmus paper. Is it true or not? Yes. True. Why? Because it will form only when it will form H plus ions.
It is not wasted.
Water, that is moisture. Without moisture, it won't get the acidic character. So I can say HCl gas dissolves in the water present in the wet litmus paper to form H plus ion. So here dry blue litmus. So that is why no reaction will place. So both are correct and they have correct relation also. Is it yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
HCl gas does not change the color of dry blue litmus paper because it gas dissolves in the water present in the wet litmus paper to form H plus ions. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which answer is correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Option A.
Remember that. No, it should not get confused. Varshini, are you understanding Varshini? Bhumika? Elamati? Padmavarshini? Karthikeyan? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Very, very careful. Right. Next question. Weak acids have low electrical conductivity.
Correct, sir.
Weak have low electrical conductivity. Yes or no? Yes. Strong
Yes, sir.
acid,
Yes, sir.
more electrical conductivity.
High
Weak
electrical current.
low electrical conductivity. Same way. Strong bases, more electrical conductivity. Weak bases, less electrical conductivity. That is what remember. So it is true. Next. Strong acids and weak acids have equal concentration of hydrogen ions in their solution. Is it true? False. Because
False.
strong acids more H plus ions. Weak acids less H plus ions. Is it
Yes,
enough?
plus ion.
So it is false. Kevin, answer. What is the correct answer for this? What is the correct answer? Option C. Is it yes? Respond, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next. Pure water is neither acidic nor basic. Pure water.
True. True.
True.
Very good.
True, sir.
Because it is a neutral substance. Is it yes?
Yes,
Neutral,
sir.
sir.
Next. Next, the pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it.
True, true.
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 Inversely proportional, yes or no? The pH is increasing, H plus ions decreases. H plus ions increasing, pH is decreasing. So this is also true. So, but is there any connections, guys? You read and tell me. Is there any?
No, sir. No connection. No connection.
No
No connection.
Those who are really, I'm saying you, those who are trying to answer now, at least maybe one or two wrong. But third question, at least if you are thinking skills is needed for reason assertion. Now, if you are trying to speak, definitely exam, you will answer. That is what my opinion. So kindly speak and answer. So there is no connection between them. So that's all. So what is the answer?
B. B.
B.
B.
B
Everybody.
option.
Karthikeyan, you most of the questions you have done wrong. Akil Irfan, you also reason assertion. Speak more clearly and ask me if you have any doubt. Akshaya, Bhumika, you also no response from Elamati. Padmavarshini also very silent. I don't know why. Yalni, Dilipan. Now next question. Answer. Assertion. During electrolysis of concentrated aqueous solution of sodium chloride, hydrogen is produced at anode and chlorine gas is produced at cathode.
False.
False. Why? Cathode.
Because hydrogen has positive
Hydrogen is
ions.
produced as cathode, sir.
Hydrogen is
Yeah,
produced at cathode.
anode means.
False, sir.
So which ions will come? Anions. will-
Hydrogen only, sir.
Anions.
Chlorine should come. So cathode is negative and cations is positive. So cations should
Positive.
come. So this is wrong. False. Next. Ions gets attracted to oppositely charged electrodes. True.
True.
Positive
True,
go
sir.
negative, negative go positive. That's all. Opposite. So true. So assertion is false. Reason is true. Which option? Option
D.
D. Everybody. That's analyzing the question is most important. Everybody can answer, but remember, MCQs and case study, 90% people can get mark. What about the assertion reason? If you are capable to get full mark in assertion reason, surely you are going to get out of in science. Every subject. That is what I will challenge everybody. So now, 8th question answer. Now, girls versus boys. Let me see who will say correct. First, now girls question. Girls, all of you speak here. Take it as a challenge, Harini. Tarini, what is this? We are always silent, you. Lashika, answer. Baking powder is used in making cake instead of using only baking soda.
True, sir.
True, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Baking powder, what?
Contains tartaric acid.
See, baking soda, if you use, what will happen? It will give some kind of a smell. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. But baking
sir.
powder has no smell and provides fluffiness.
Yes, it is not some likely taste something. It will give you some other kind of sour taste. Is it yes, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of some kind of edible acid like tartaric acid or citric acid.
Tartaric acid or citric acid.
Powder contains tartaric acid which reacts with the sodium carbonate and removes bitter taste. Is it yes or no? Yes. So,
The sodium carbonate.
sodium carbonate will form. Baking soda reacting means that is why it is bitter in taste. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the thing. So this is also true and this is also true. Why we are using baking powder? Because it will react with the sodium carbonate and removes the bitter taste. That is the reason. So which option is correct, Arvind?
Option
Yes, sir.
A. That is. Next. Nitesh, answer this question. This question here CaO Cl2 Ra. 2 is missing. Please remember that. Yeah, please answer, boys. Boys,
True, sir. True, sir.
answer.
True, sir. True.
Formula
Assertion is true, sir.
CaO Cl2. True.
So the chemical composition code
True,
Calcium
sir.
oxide reacts with the chlorine to form bleaching powder. Is it?
sir.
Not calcium.
False.
Sir,
What is that?
So calcium hydroxide.
False. Calcium hydroxide.
Understand? This
Wrong, sir. Reason is wrong. Assertion is
true
true.
and the reason is false.
the calcium
C, sir. Option C.
People will think that calcium oxide CaO and it will react with chlorine gas. It will give you calcium chloride. But this is bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride. But it is wrong. We are using calcium hydroxide. That is
Hydroxide.
so option is correct. Next, option C is correct. Next, girls question. Read fastly, girls.
Plaster of Paris.
Stored in a
Question
moisture container. Why?
True,
Because
sir. True.
it will become useless.
So both are true.
It will react with the atmosphere and it will
Option A, sir. Correct explanation. Option A.
Yes, sir.
A plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is stored in a moisture-proof container. Reason. Plaster of Paris sets into a hard mass on weighing with water to form anhydrous calcium sulfate. Is it yes?
True, sir.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it wetting with a anhydrous they are saying. Hydrous ille. Anhydrous.
False. False.
Think carefully. Plaster of Paris is stored in a proof container. Yes, it is true. It is true. Now, if it will react with the moisture, what will happen? Plaster of Paris sets into a hard mass on wetting with the water to form hydrous or anhydrous?
Anhydrous.
Anhydrous.
Hydrous. Hydrous.
How
Sir, in question they gave anhydrous, sir.
They are giving anhydrous. So anhydrous, how it will come? 1 minute, it is closed. I want to open again.
Yes.
Just wait a minute. So you read recent, yesterday only I have taught you that, which will give you what? Hydrous or anhydrous? Read, check in the notebook and tell me, girls. So which answer is correct? Reason is true, assertion is?
False.
Assertion is true, reason is?
Sir, it is hydrous. If it crosses more degrees Celsius, then only it will become anhydrous.
That is, it is not crossing correct, but we are just reacting with atmosphere. So it will give you what? It will give you
Sir, it will be
only correct. Back to gypsum, correct or not?
gypsum only will set as hard mass.
What?
Only gypsum sets as hard mass, no, sir.
That is what I am saying. So it will react with the, which will react with the water. They will form again hydrous calcium sulfate. Understand? So CaSO4 2H2 it will form. Understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
CaSO4. 1 minute. CaSO4 half H2O is the formula for plaster of Paris. Is it yes, guys? So which will react with 3/2 H2O mixture, which will form CaSO4 dot 2H2O. This is what we should call as gypsum. Is it yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is wrong, false, and this is true. Which option is correct? Option?
Option C.
Option? Which option? Assertion is
D, sir.
Option D.
is false. Which option, Ra?
D.
D. Next. 11th question. All of you read 11th question. Boys. The chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder.
True.
True, true.
True, sir.
Both also true, sir.
Is it in chemical industry?
Both also true, sir.
True, but no connection.
True.
True, sir. True, sir. Yes, sir.
B, sir. Option B, sir.
Option?
B, B.
Option B. Because no connection between them, but both are true. Very good. Next one. Next one answer. Girls. The process of dissolving an acid or base in a water is highly exothermic reaction.
True, sir.
Reaction.
Yes.
Acid and base. What is option C? Exothermic reaction. Is it true? Yes. Understand? It will release the heat energy. Understand? It is true only. Next. Water must always be added slowly to acid with a constant stirring. Is it?
False, sir. Acid must be added to water.
So this is exothermic reaction. This is true. So assertion is true and reason is false. Which option?
Option D. C.
C. Option C or D?
Sir.
1 minute.
Option D, sir.
Assertion
Yes,
is
C, sir. C.
and reason is false. This question also option C only correct. Correct.
Sir, 11th one also option.
Wait. 10th one also
Option
option D not right. 10th one option C. Please correct it. Option C. Assertion is true and reason is false. Is it yes? Yes.
sir.
That is option C. You are not saying I am confusing with the options. Next. 13th question, boys, please. Phenolphthalein is an acid base indicator. Phenolphthalein, draw.